Being one of Canada's staple attractions, which also shares a border with the United States, a trip to the province of Ontario or the state of New York wouldn't be complete without a stop at Niagara Falls. Formed from the Niagara River, Niagara Falls drains Lake Erie into Lake Ontario before flowing out to the Atlantic Ocean via the St. Lawrence River. The falls are located 27 kilometers or 17 miles north of Buffalo, New York. It's comprised of 3 falls: Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest and located on the US side, American Falls, also on the US side, and Horseshoe Falls, also known as the Canadian Falls. The combined flow rate of the 3 is the most in North America for waterfalls, with a drop of more than 50 meters. During the peak tourist daytime hours, more than 168,000 cubic meters of water flow over the crest of the falls every minute, which is just staggering to think about. You can treat yourself to the amazing views from both the Canadian side and the US side by traveling across the Rainbow International Bridge. There's plenty to see and do on both sides, and each offer their own unique experience, making it tough to stay on only one side. The US side boasts the historic Maid of the Mist boat tours, taking you in front of all 3 falls and right up to the action under Horseshoe Falls. Be prepared to get wet though, the ponchos provided only do so much against the relentless mist. The Cave of Winds also offers up some great walking tours on wooden walkways down below the American and Bridal Veil Falls. Goat Island is where you want to be though, with the best observation areas for viewing the Canadian Horseshoe Falls and access to the tiny Luna Island, which separates both the American and Bridal Veil Falls. Lastly, the Niagara Falls State Park is located directly as you get off the Rainbow International Bridge and offers additional walks and vantage points for the falls. From the Canadian side, you'll get the best of both worlds, as you can view all 3 falls with unobstructed views that can't be beat. Walking the cliff's edge as you take in the Horseshoe Falls is really an awesome experience, only to be capped by taking the journey behind the falls. An elevator takes you to the bottom and allows you to wander the tunnels and peer out at the water rushing over your head. An observation area at the bottom is also accessed by this journey, and you can get outside and feel the rush of the water flowing over. Be prepared though, you will get soaked, so bring your ponchos. The Canadian side is also topped off by a great visitor center with amazing food and shopping options, and also a small railway that transports you up the steep hill to the hotels and casinos in the area. Don't forget, Canada also offers its own version of the Maid of the Mist, with boat tours leading right up to Horseshoe Falls. You'll notice the red ponchos for the Canadian tours and blue ones for the US, offering friendly banter between passing boats. Capping off your Canadian stay has to be a visit up to Clifton Hills, directly up from the falls, offering some of the best shopping and entertainment for families in all of Niagara. Well, I have visited Niagara Falls twice in the past 3 years and can say it's always a treat going back. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at a great place, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.